some of the experiments that we've talked about require a lot of leaps. People imagining islands and flipping images, etc. Might the participant essentially figure out the point of an experiment and cooperate accordingly? That's possible. And that's what some researchers have criticized, or I suppose another way to say it is that's a dimension on which some researchers have criticized mental imagery research and theory. And that's this idea of tacit knowledge and demand characteristics. So participants correctly speculated on the purpose of a study, such as the Kostlin Island sort of study. And Intens-Peterson confirmed this sort of thing. She described it as experimenter expectancy, basically what the experimenter was expecting to get, which they correctly deduced from the distance of objects on an island or other experiments like it. Demand characteristics describe the participant figuring out the express purpose of a study and cooperating accordingly, basically delivering the expected result that might please the experimenter. And why would they do that? Well, it's just we have ways of sort of figuring things out, and might that contaminate things? Yes. And Intens-Peterson was of the mind that people deduce these things and can respond accordingly, especially when the participants themselves were participating in experiments that were so simple, such as traversing distances in your imagination, as you can imagine. So that's one particular critique of mental imagery research and theory, is that we have this shortcoming that involves the participant knowing what the point is and delivering accordingly.